In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Airwallex. Now I'm going to show you how to do this inside a sandbox demo account. However, it's going to work the exact same way for real accounts as well. So first, you want to go to the left here and you want to click on the wallet. And this is going to take you to your balances over here, okay? So these are some demo funds. Again, this is a sandbox account. And then if you actually want to transfer money to Airwallex from somewhere else, what you want to do is go over here to the top and click on Add Funds. Now, when you do this, you have two options. You can either transfer from another Airwallex account using Airwallex Pay. So we can just click on that. And then from here, you'll get the account number and the account name as well. And you'll be able to transfer it that way. Or you could go and click on Add Funds over here and use a bank transfer via your bank account. So as you can see, the funds this way are not going to be instant. They're going to arrive in 0 to 3 business days. And then it's going to support different currencies over here. Okay. So I'm just going to click on this button over here. And what's going to happen here, you will get all the account details. And here it says to add funds now. You'll have to, of course, use the below account. So it's going to be this account over here, not this specific one. For you, it may be different. This is just a demo over here. So go ahead and open it for yourself and you'll see the information of where you basically have to transfer the funds. And then you'll have to only include the reference number, which is going to be up here at the top. So don't include this one. You yourself are going to have a different one. So select, of course, this reference number. And of course, here you have all the data for the payment. And whenever you've done this, you can just go and click on done over here. And as you can see here, international Swift transfer are going to take 0 to 3 days to actually process. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. And you can then go ahead and use that money however you want. You can send it, you can add new transfers or whatever. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.